Today's video I show you guys how to upgrade NFS Carbon's cutscene and sharper QHD quality video for a cleaner experience. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. Check my video description for this another mod link. Widescreen fix. Select the download option. You just need to wait for this 10 seconds. Once it's done, select one of these server and it start downloading. We just need to wait for this 4.3 to get done. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And you just need to navigate to the game folder. Program files x86, Electronic Arts, Need for Speed Carbon, and just try and drop this movies folder into the game location. Select the replace the file the destination and select check mark and select continue. And once it's done, just go back and open this widescreen fix. Just try and drop these two files inside of a game folder and select replace the file in the destination and select continue. And open the scripts folder and right click on the NFS Carbon widescreen fix.ini and select edit in Notepad. FMV widescreen mode, set this to 2 and select file and select save option. Settings will be saved. Just close tab here and launch the game. I know it's tough to spot the difference in game, so I'll make it easy for you. Just focus on the red chat and now you can clearly see the change. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.